Step 1. Remove cranks. Loosen
Voila.
crank bolts. 8mm Allen, 14mm. Use crank puller right pointing arrow pop arms
Back
on.
after a couple hours, so I had to buy
Optional
myself a
step.
torque wrench.
Struggle
buy
like
the
a
adapter
dummy
for it,
until you buy a torque
And
wrench.
now we're here 2 hours later. Hopefully we get it off now.
Step
Yeah.
2. Remove old
Pretty
BB.
damn
Insert
clean up
square
in that
taper
bit.
tool. Drive side equals reverse thread. Clockwise to loosen. Other side equals lefty loosen. Clean shell threads. Step 3. Install SRAM dub BB. Grease BB shell. Thread in cups by hand. Drive side first, reverse thread. Step 4. Install SRAM dub crankset.
Check the crankset
Slide
for play
spindle
by
groove and
rocking the
drive
crank arms
side.
back.
Attach non-drive crank line.
If there is play in the
Step
crankset,
5.
remove the
Final
crank
check.
arms and
Spin
apply
cranks
additional
right
preload
pointing
adjuster in the
arrow
opposite
smooth.
direction
No
of the
play.
bus.
Adjust preload ring if wobbly. Wipe down right pointing arrow ready to ride.
Go ahead. There's no ring on there. Special.
Might be because it's not on. Fucking butter. Oh yeah, looking beautiful.
Skinwall TV.